Welcome to Green PMF Presentations. My name is Jeff Baker and our contact information is below. We hope you enjoy the tutorial that's about to follow. This presentation tells you how to do transitions in KdenLive, or KdenLive as many people do it. As you can see, I've got a blank project and I've dragged in a couple of sample movies for us to play around with. So I'm going to take one of the movies and just drop it in. There we go. And I'm going to take a second movie and just drop it in like so. Now let's make that a little bit longer, if it will let me. Okay, put that there for a minute. Now if you watch, you see pointing down in that bottom corner, it suddenly changes to a hand pointer. If you right click on that, you can see add transition. Now I'm a great fan of dissolve. Seems to work quite well in pretty much all cases, so I'm going to add a dissolve, and you can see that it's added that there. Let's just change the scales, make it easier to see. Make that a little bit bigger for you. So we can see that there, and then I want to change at the end, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on this one, add a transition, and how about we slide this one in, and you can see it's added that little slide down there. So if I now put them back to back, that will give us a transition. Another neat little trick actually, if you've got space between clips, is if you right click in there, you see I can remove space, and that brings them back together. So let's take a look at this. Put my time marker at the beginning, and then we come up here and we press play. And you should see that dissolved in slowly. Plays for its duration. Maybe I should have chosen a shorter one. Oh well, never mind. And any moment now, whoa, we get that slide, and there we go. Now if we weren't happy with the length of time that these effects took, we can click on it and highlight it, hopefully. Let's make that scale a little bit bigger, make it easier for you to see what's going on. There we go. So I can select that, and you can see the transitions changed to red, and now I can grab that and make that take a little bit longer. Incidentally, you'll note up here it says dissolve. If I change my mind and let's just say I want to play with a different one, I haven't tried that one before, so let's have a look and see what that one looks like. Okay, that was all in all a little bit disappointing. Don't know what matter it does. Okay, so let's try a different one. How about a wipe? There we go. Reset our timeline. And let's have a look and see what that one does. And there we go, it wipes in nice and gently. Just skip that timeline forward a little bit, make it jump, and there we get our slide. And that is all you need to know to do very, very simple transitions and how to edit them. Hope you've enjoyed it, and hopefully see you again in one of our other presentations. I hope you enjoyed the presentation, and if you wish to find out more about us, you can contact us via the link below, or look at our Wikipedia. You'll find lots of other presentations and things that we're working on. Thank you for your time.